Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto E22i, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. Let's start with the first way of blocking the number, which requires entering your contact list. So let's open it. So as you can see, you can block the number you've got currently saved. Let's find it and tap on it, and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got the option block numbers, so let's tap on it, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So simply tap on block. And for some reason I cannot really do that, but I'm pretty sure that you will be able to block a number. You will see a characteristic icon and the number will be blocked. You will have also the opportunity to unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock numbers. It will appear right here. And basically this is how to do it in your contact list. The second way requires entering the settings, and it is, I would say, more manual. So to do that, we have to be either on contacts, recents or favorites. It does not really matter. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers. And basically this is our blacklist. Unfortunately right now it is empty because the first way did not really work in my case, but as I said, for sure in yours will work. So let's tap on add a number, and as you can see here, we can enter the number manually. We can we can also paste it if you've got it copied, and tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear right here, which simply means that from now on your device will block all incoming calls and texts from this number. We've got also this option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to it your device will be allowed to actually block calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful sometimes, at least. Alright, in order to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.